Want to know how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone easily and effectively without putting anything at risk? If yes, keep on watching to learn how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone in this manner. Part 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone with quick start. Place iPhones together. New iPhone. Click Home. Old iPhone. Follow prompt or enable Wi-Fi Bluetooth. Restart if needed. Check Apple ID. Old iPhone. Scan animation or manually enter code. On your new iPhone, enter the passcode for your old iPhone. On your new iPhone, click on Transfer from iPhone. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then decide if you want to transfer or enable certain settings. Part 2. How to transfer data to new iPhone with Transfer for Mobile. Interested in a one-click transmission method to transfer everything from iPhone to iPhone? If yes, then Mobican Transfer for Mobile is the best option for you. It supports transferring all types of data quickly and efficiently. How to transfer from old iPhone to new iPhone with Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Launch Transfer for Mobile. Step 2. Confirm the source and destination iPhone. Step 3. Start iPhone. Transfer to new phone with Transfer for Mobile. Part 3. How to transfer data between iPhones via iCloud. For iOS 10 or later, go to Settings, Apple ID Profile, iCloud Backup Now. For iOS 9 or older, go to Settings, iCloud Backup. If not enabled, click Backup Now. During new iPhone setup, select Apps and Data, and choose to restore from iCloud Backup to Transfer Data. If iPhone is already set up, go to Settings, Erase iPhone. Set up iPhone again, tap Restore from iCloud, select the desired backup. Part 4. How to transfer data from one iPhone to another via iTunes. Backup old iPhone with iTunes. This can be done on your computer. Open iTunes and connect old phone to your computer. Click on the Device tab. Then, click Summary, this computer, backup now. Connect your new iPhone to your computer. Click on the Device tab on iTunes. Click on Restore Backup. Wait for the completion of the restore process, and then the rest of the setup can be completed on your iPhone device.